One of the questions we get most often at Simply Earth is, what essential oils can I use for my dog or my cat? So this month we are making using essential oils for pets easy with this month's recipe box. If you haven't heard about our essential oil recipe box, let me tell you about it. Each month shipped to your door, you get 4 full-size essential oils, 6 natural recipes, plus the extras ingredients you need to make them. Let's take a look at this month's box. In this month's box, you'll get 6 different recipes, all formulated especially for your pet. You'll also get labels for your recipes, a bandana, some of you will get a red one and some of you will get a blue one, a 1-ounce container to store your recipe in, along with a spray bottle and 2 lip balm containers. Along with all this, you get 4 full-size essential oils. Ginger essential oil can help relieve nausea, is calming, and creates a warming sensation. It's also a pain reliever and a natural deodorizer. You also get Juniper Berry Essential Oil, which is great for fighting oily skin, easing pain, and repelling insects. You'll also get Citronella, another insect repellent. It also has a very calming scent and has also been shown to help reduce dog barking. Last but not least, you have our Peace and Quiet blend. This blend is formulated to help ease anxiety and create a calming atmosphere. Great for if your dog is nervous during thunderstorms or has anxiety when you leave. But wait, there's more. When you subscribe today, we will also give you our big bonus box. This bonus box is filled with natural ingredients and more containers to bring your recipe box to the next level. Subscribe today to make your home more natural, because a natural home means a happier pet.